This renovation, like all others presented on our channel, is supervised by the Austrian Institute for Building Protection.
Renovation of exterior stairs. An example from Vienna's 13th district. The primary cause of damage to outdoor stairs made of stone or concrete, as well as asphalt driveways, is the constant exposure to sunlight, water, and salt, which particularly quickly and permanently degrade these surfaces. It's clearly visible to the naked eye, and particularly on concrete surfaces, which are inherently weaker than these granite stairs that are displayed here, that they become increasingly porous and absorb a significant amount of water, which then slowly expands and damages their internal structure during the winter months. Subsequently, after such a winter, algae begin to penetrate this porous structure, further contributing to the deterioration of its material substance. The sun additionally oxidizes the colors, which means these concrete surfaces initially brighten, but later, regrettably, because they become extremely porous, they become saturated with dirt and algae. It's also important to mention that concretes are chemically bonded using dispersing agents, which over time oxidize and then make the concrete vulnerable to the effects of water and salt. The chemical compounds present in concretes unfortunately accelerate their corrosion. A typical indication that these surfaces require renovation or perhaps a full repair is their significant soiling and the growth of algae. Therefore, it's worth checking if the concrete is still in good condition by simply pouring water onto stairs or other concrete elements and observing whether the water is absorbed by the concrete or if it remains on its surface. If there is no absorption taking place, then it means that the concrete is adequately resistant to these specific factors. We strongly urge you not to postpone the renovation of such surfaces. Furthermore, even when constructing new concrete structures, it is crucial to immediately treat them with our specialized products. This ensures they become non-absorbent and highly resistant to the damaging effects of water, salt, sun, and other similar environmental factors. The minimum scope of such work involves a thorough cleaning process, as demonstrated in the accompanying video, using a chemical pressure wash with a karcher, and then a straightforward impregnation by simply spraying them with the NCT Hydro material. And just for your information, the technology for impregnating concrete, this type of material or industrial concrete structures like bridges, ramps, and other similar constructions is specifically addressed in Austrian standards every 20 years, meaning they should be renovated through cleaning or sandblasting and the application of a protective impregnation treatment.
NCT Hydro, or if this surface is already in a state of severe devastation.
And there are permanent material defects or deep scratches, then such a surface needs to be sprayed with NCT CEM, which will fill the defects and fully protect not only the exterior, but also the internal structure, penetrating it and creating the so-called hydration crystals, through which the entire structure becomes completely filled within itself. The capillaries that are present there are effectively sealed, so they do not readily absorb water and are not susceptible to such rapid corrosion. We're talking about the process of what's called structural glazing. What is the effectiveness of our products? As I mentioned, every 20 years, stairs should be refurbished this way. And I'd like to remind you again that new concrete should also be immediately treated with NCT Hydro impregnant while it's still fresh and clean. As can be observed in this particular video, this ensures their absolute and complete sealing and exceptional long-term durability. A modified NCT Hydro is also used to protect wood and old asphalt. This versatile material, NCT Hydro, is engineered to withstand significant external pressure, specifically up to 5 bars, which is equivalent to approximately 50 meters of water column height.
The installation is very simple, and the price of NCT Hydro material is 40 zlotys per square meter. The cost calculated for the next 20 years is fully acceptable.
If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more construction tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next project.